So Nelson and I are in Nashville for a couple days. We're here trying to get away from all our responsibilities. It's also our 15-year anniversary. So we're here 15.
You see 5.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, we decided the kids are still at my parents' house, and Nelson booked us a hotel here in Nashville. I have actually never been to Nashville, so we checked in early, and then we went walking on, what's it called, Broadway?
Yeah.
Broadway.
Yep.
And so we did that, and it was a lot of walking. It was a nice day outside. It wasn't very hot, but it did get hot in a couple areas where the sun was just hitting us. But it was nice in the areas where there was like shade.
Mm-hmm.
And then they have like this huge section of Broadway closed because apparently Post Malone, his restaurant is opening, just so happens to be today. And he's doing this huge concert tonight at like 8 or 9 or something like that.
It's a bar and lounge. I mean, I don't know if it's like restaurant, but it's like the rest of the bars that are lined up and down Broadway.
And so apparently, like Wednesday night, there's like this huge concert happening in downtown Nashville.
Yeah, it's at 8:00, and then after the concert, from like 9 until 2. If you're able to get into the bar, because obviously there's going to be so many people there, you can drink for free.
Yeah, he said he was like buying drinks for everybody or something like that, right?
Anybody, I guess everybody's tab is going to get paid.
That's pretty cool.
Drinks are on the house. So,
yeah.
I mean, you can only imagine it's probably going to be like a zoo.
Yeah. And like I said, I'd never been to Nashville before, so I was surprised at how many people were there during the day on a Wednesday. I mean, that place was buzzing. It's not really a place for kids at all. not even during the day. There were so many places. We went to Jason Aldean's restaurant, and we had lunch there. It was pretty good. We had some sliders. Nelson had a beer. I only had sweet tea because I can't drink anything. And we went walking around for a while. Like, I got a little tired. And so we went to this little bakery. We got like a little key lime pie slice and a cookie, and we brought it back to the hotel. And we've just been here relaxing just because I needed a break from all that walking. And then here in a few minutes, we're going to head out, or we're going to get, changed up and head out to a nice little restaurant up the road. It's like a steakhouse. We made reservations, and it's supposed to be like on top of a building, and we're supposed to have like nice views, right?
It's a bourbon steak on top of I think it's the Westin.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a really fancy, schmancy restaurant. And so hopefully we'll have a good time there tonight. It's only like maybe 3 blocks from where we're at right now. So I'll probably just take our time and go out there and just walk up to the restaurant and then walk back.
No, so it's on top of the JW Marriott. Excuse me.
Oh.
Yeah. No,
the Marriott Hotel.
Yeah. No, the Westin has Oak Steakhouse. We're going to Bourbon Steak, which is at the rooftop. Not rooftop, at the top floor. Kind of like in Atlanta, they have the Sundial, which is
Well, I think they closed it.
Did they close it?
I think so, but it was like a restaurant at the top of a Westin hotel where it would like spin like round, and you'd get to see all of Atlanta as the restaurant itself rotated. But I think there was a couple of accidents that happened, and somebody got hurt, and I think they closed that down.
Yeah, somebody fell in between like the floor where it spun, and they got either hurt or something bad happened. So.
Yeah, so that went morbid quick. But yeah, so we're just kind of up here. That's kind of what we're gonna end up doing today. Tomorrow we'll probably go out and take a little bit of a drive and go explore other areas and maybe go like shopping or something. We'll see what we end up doing tomorrow. Yeah, because I can't do Broadway another day. Like I could do it once. We walked like crazy. We went, did several circles, and we got to see a ton of bands playing because every restaurant had a band. And that was something that I had never experienced before.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on everywhere. So I think tomorrow will be a little bit more of a calm day for us. But we'll see. We'll see what happens and where we'll go. It's more of a relaxing type of trip for us, and just trying to get away and for a few days and just kind of enjoy a little bit of peace and quiet for once. So that's what we're up to. So Nelson and I had dinner, and it was really nice. The food was good. The atmosphere was great. The server was awesome. So we had a great time. And then we walked back. And like two exhausted parents, we came back from dinner and we fell asleep. So now it's a little bit later on in the evening, and we're about to take showers and head back to bed. It's so funny. Like, there was like a concert on Broadway today. There was a whole bunch of like people outside and people partying and having a good time. And me and him are like, we're not having none of that. We're just going to stay in and relax. And that's exactly what we did. So, so yeah. So I don't know if I'm probably going to combine tomorrow along with today. I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes. If not, I am going to sign off right now for the day though, because it is time for bed. Like, we walked for half the day and we had really good food, and we're just like, yeah, we need this break. We'll see you guys back tomorrow.